guys, this is Jake, and then in this tutorial video I will teach you guys on how to use string and integer variables in C++. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers to my channel. I really appreciate your support. If you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So here, I have here a library file, sharp include iostream using namespace std, and then we have here a int main function. So here I have three string variables: student underscore name, school, course underscore year underscore section, and age. In order for us to accept our program string with namespace, we are using getLine, and then here we are accepting age, and then we have here see and ignore, because if we don't put this command, the see and ignore, it will proceed to the next line. So get line here in school and year and section, and then we will display the result here. Now let us compile and run our program to see the result. Let's say for example Jacob Samuel Pomperada, age let's say 17, school University of Saint Lasal Bacolod, course BS Computer Science, first year, section A. So we have here the result: name Jacob Samuel Pomperada, age 17, University of St. Lasal Bacolod, year, course year and section B is computer science, first year, section A. Okay, very simple. Let's have another example. Let's run. Juliana Ray F. Pomperada, the name of my daughter, age 19 years old, school West Negros University, course Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, third year, section B. So we have here the name of my daughter, Juliana Ray F. Pomperada, age 19, school STI West Negros University, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, third year, section B. So this is the end of our tutorial videos on how to use string and integer as input in C++. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified when my newly uploaded videos, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye for now.